Hello, in front of me I've got BYD SEAL 5. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable Charging Port Immobiliser System. In the beginning, let's go to Settings and next go to Energy. Enter Charging and Discharging and select Charging Port Immobiliser System mode between Enable, Disable and Intelligent. For Enable Immobilizer, the electric lock of the charging port will be unlocked only after the vehicle is unlocked. For Disable, the electric lock of the charging port will be automatically unlocked after full charging. For Intelligent, the electric lock of the charging port will be automatically unlocked after full charging, otherwise the vehicle should be unlocked first. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.